Artificial's mission is to accelerate the pace of life science discoveries by making automation accessible to every lab. This is why we've developed the Artificial Product Suite, a lab automation solution that orchestrates your entire lab. This includes the hardware, software, people, and data central to your operations, so that you can go from requests to results on one easy-to-use platform. The Artificial Suite includes a set of web-based applications that digitize and connect your lab so that you can effortlessly run and orchestrate your operations. Central to the Artificial offering is Lovebox, a command center for your lab where you can submit and manage requests, schedule jobs, and monitor your operations. Enabling LabOps are a set of applications that build and extend your lab, such as Labs, which creates your lab's digital twins, Assistants, which transform your manual SOPs into digital interactive guides, and Workflows, which connect your LIMS, schedulers, and assistants into one seamless process. With these applications, you can easily batch and schedule your requests, guide operators and scientists through manual steps, run your automation, and consolidate all of the final results, all on one single platform. The first step to using Artificial is to build your lab's digital twin. Using Labs in the Artificial Equipment Library, you simply drag and drop models of your instrument and labware into a scene. In addition to representing your physical lab, each asset is encoded with what we call the Artificial Common Sense Lab Physics. This includes its core kinematics, configuration options, container compatibility, and more. Once you've built your lab's digital twin, you've laid the foundation to creating an accessible automation experience for your entire team. From there, you design your assistants. Assistants are digital interactive guides for all of your manual steps. They're linked to your digital twin, and each step can include embedded media, warnings, and data fields. Assistants also includes an editor, so that you can easily transform your paper SOPs into an interactive digital experience. Each step can include embedded photos or videos to provide additional context, data fields to capture critical information such as lot numbers or plate barcodes, as well as any warnings to help prevent errors. And you can do all of this without ever having to write a single line of code. With Assistants, it's easy to train more people faster to use your complex integrated systems while reducing any errors. Once you've built your assistants, you're ready to connect your software, hardware, people, and data into a single workflow. With the Artificial Adapter Library, we can configure each step of the process, such as connecting to your LIMS for request management, timing your assistants to guide you through the setup of your system, connecting to a local scheduler for automated execution, integrating additional assistants for any other manual steps, as well as connecting with the Artificial Cloud or your LIMS for final data consolidation. With Workflows, your entire process is now connected from request to result, so that you can manage and execute your entire experiment from within Artificial. Now that you've digitized your lab and manual SOPs, connected your systems for an end-to-end workflow, it's time to use Lovebox. With Lovebox, you can submit requests, schedule jobs, and monitor your operations. You can either directly submit your requests through the planning dashboard or manage any requests that were submitted in your LIMS. From there, you can schedule an individual job or batch them together to run at a specific date and time after a specific job or as soon as possible, so that you can increase your throughput while reducing your time and costs. Since Lovebox schedules both the manual and automated tasks for a job, after a job is scheduled, it automatically prompts you to complete an assistant for the setup of your liquid handler or integrated system. If manual intervention is required at any other point of the job, such as in the middle of it or at the end of it, you'll be automatically notified with an assistant. While your job is running, you can monitor and control your lab from anywhere on any device, so that you know if you need to address any roadblocks, adjust priorities, or simply just have peace of mind. Once your job is completed, you can see a full data capture in Artificial, including all the procedural steps taken with assistants, such as who set the system up and when, as well as access equipment logs and scientific data. The entire Artificial offering is accessible from anywhere on any device at any time, so that no matter where you and your team are located, you can collaborate, operate, and monitor together on one single platform. Say hello today to leverage the Artificial Product Suite so that you can focus on your next breakthrough and not wrangling your automation.